guys, welcome to...
Whoa. Hold on, baby. I got this for you. I got this. Trabajadora shit. What's up, you guys? Some of you guys already know me. Some of you guys don't. I'm Yvette's husband, or I don't know if you guys know about Yvette or Maria. She's weird. She doesn't like Maria because she's Mexican like that. But we got a new video for you guys. It's a tutorial on how to make the smoky nails or whatever they're called. So right here, she's trying to make a pink, blue, and purple nail. Just because I told her they look tight, so she wanted to remake them. Okay, so right there, she's putting the white one. Not sure why. So right there, le salió un moco. I don't know what the fuck was that. Oh damn, sorry. I forgot it was for YouTube. Sorry, YouTube. I don't know what you guys do, but okay. Let's get back to the nail thing. So she left the moco right there, man. Sorry, guys. You guys should know. You guys should know how she is. For those of you that don't know, she's messy. So don't mind that. So let me see. Taking her sweet ass time right there. I don't know why she takes so forever. But you guys always defended her, so whatever. Alright, some more white stuff. Alright, hold up. Oh, this is where it gets crazy, y'all. This is where it gets crazy. You guys saw that? She got some of that white, she got some of that purple, she got some of that blue, and some of that pink. About to make a rainbow up in this. Okay, so she puts it on, she spreads it around. There's some purples, there's some blue. Looking pretty. Looking pretty. Oh, she got some of that pink too. Oh, mixing it right up in there. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Damn. Oh, some of that more purple and blue. Kind of mixed up colors she making, yo. Okay. Let's see what else is she gonna do. What else is she gonna do? Oh, some of that purple. Man, she like purple. Some of the pink. There's some pinky up in there. Remember to get the edges, guys. Edges tell everything. Mixing it all about, getting the edges. You guys see that? It looks cool. I think it looks cool. I don't know. Putting more of that purple or that blue. Some of that purple and pink. Making new colors. Making some signs up in this. Look at that. Looking fine. Looking good as new. Putting some of that clear stuff on there. I spread it around. Look at that. Look the way she moved that brush though. She a pro. Some of that bottom piece. Guys, look. Simple as that. Looking nice and neat. Put some more up in that. Making it nice and even. Again, guys, don't forget the edge, yo. Tells you everything about the work. Okay, she said peace. Where's she going? Oh no, she's doing the second one, I think. She got some of that white, some of that pink, some of that purple. Look at that. See the purple, see the blue. Where the pink at though? The pink don't wanna show up. Did she get pink? I don't even know. Get some more of that purple, some more of the blue, some of the pink. Oh, there the pink. I see what you're doing. Spread it around. Spread it around, make a little ball. Spread it evenly. Look at that. Too much blue though. Oh, there you go. Get some of that pink and purple up in there. Damn, look at that, yo. Look at that. Let's see what else she does. More blue. That's a lot of blue, yo. Guessing she like blue for that now. Okay, let's see. How do you fast forward this? Can you? I don't know, dude. I don't mess with this. Look at some of the pink and purple. About time. God damn. Dabbity dab dab dab. Get that shit on there. Damn. Sorry, YouTube. Sorry. I'm a sailor. What can I say? I cuss a lot. I'm not a real sailor, but I cuss a lot. Supposedly they have potty mouths, I've heard, but not sure. Oh, look at that. More purple and pink, yo. Blue, purple, and pink. God damn. You guys could use any colors you guys want, though. You ain't gotta follow her. Be any colors you want. Some trippy colors too. Some more of that clear stuff up in there. I'll spread it out again. It looks all lumpy, but she's fixing it. Look at that. Damn. There she go, getting off the camera. What the hell? Damn it, sorry. I told her she gotta zoom out, but she don't listen. Look at that stuff, man. You guys missed an important step right there. Look at that. Nice and shiny for you guys. Oh, look, she gave you guys a thumbs up. You guys are doing something right. Damn. Okay, what else is she doing? What? I guess she gave up. I don't know what she's doing there. Look at the little tappity taps, yo. She's showing you guys how it should sound when it's dry and wet. That one's wet. The other ones are dry. Wet, dry, wet, dry, wet, dry. Give it a little razzle dazzle, the little tappity tap. You guys could find out. She about to finish with that now. Let me see. Taking your sweet time. Alright, there it is. There it is. Nice and shiny. Alright, now to work on the white one. The white one. Oh, look, right there. She showed you that one wasn't dry. It was still wet. So it's a no-no. Work on the white one. Let that one dry for a few more minutes. Look at that. Looking like milk. Looking like some leche. Alright, there you go. There you go. She put that one. It's tappity tap. Okay, it's good now, guys. Okay, guys. Right there's the top coat for the last now. If you guys like me doing voiceovers, let her know. I'll do some more. Like, comment, subscribe. Remember, simply but sophisticated, or some bullshit like that. Deuces.